Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change navigation bar on Android. To change the Android navigation bar on your device, you have to open up settings. So first of all, locate settings and log into your account. So after you're logged into your settings, what next you want to do is on this page, you have to simply go ahead and look for system or maybe display. So tap on the system button. As you go to the system button, then you have these navigation modes, right? You could then go ahead and click on navigations, after which you could then select gesture navigation or 3-button navigation. So select it accordingly, and then you could go ahead and customize the button as well. If you prefer button navigation, you may see an option such as button or button. Then you just need to tap this to rearrange the back, home, and then recent button to your preferences as well. And next, you could use the settings search. That is, if you have any trouble finding the settings, you could use the search bar at the top of the settings app to type in navigation bar and locate it. And then this way you'll be able to change navigation bar on Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.